Hey there.
Hey man, how you doing?
Good, good. Looking sharp there. You
Thank
look like
you,
the
man.
orange on your harness.
Thank
Where'd you get that?
Thank you, man. I got it from Malta Dynamics. This is the Warhawk Comfort Max, man. I really like the color, but what makes it even better is that it fits great, and it was just around $100.
Wow. Hey, you mind if I try it on?
Of course not, man. Go ahead. Look at this waist pad. They made it firm so it supports your back better. And they use the same material on the shoulders and the legs. It's really high quality. It is also 100% quick connections. Here, try it on.
This is nice. You can keep mine.
What do you mean? Hey, where are you going?
Own the best in class. Buy your Comfort Max today.